Within the private equity space, we have insureds of all sizes, from family office, boutique private equity, to footprints across the U.S. We're there to meet our insured's needs regardless of the size. When an insured is looking to purchase a company, this is where we come to the table and really partner with them to doing due diligence on the target acquisition that they're going to procure, and really looking at all intricacies and creating a report that's going to give them details on the claims that they've had, the coverage issues, deficiencies, benchmarking that. So post-transaction, how is that going to really translate to their operation? What are the things that they should be on the lookout for, potential issues that could arise? And then looking long-term down the road, what potential issues could the insured have after they've made the transaction? Our practice group has really had the honor of being able to help various private equity groups. When they've had a bad experience, they've called upon us to step in and help. Within the due diligence process, some groups have found the pitfalls of not being able to have really good diligence done, and subsequently they've paid for it after the transaction. Not seeing some of the hidden issues that have arisen, whether it be coverage issues or claims that they didn't look into that ultimately ended up costing the insured after transaction. We're trying to roll up our sleeves and make sure that we look at all aspects within that diligence, produce that report, and call action items out to make sure that they get those things negotiated and are going eyes wide open into the transaction with what they truly have in front of them. With a changing economy, interest rates, a variety of different pressures throughout, it's important to have a good broker partner that's not only helping on the insurance coverage, but also from diligence, contract review, reps and warranty, a number of different facets that is going to be able to really help make sure that all aspects have been analyzed so you avoid surprises late in the game after you've had the transaction. Within Higginbotham, we have industry experts within each various sector, and they have decades of experience within that. So I think a unique advantage is when our insured is going to transact on a particular industry, we can call upon that internally to make sure that we've got the right lens assessing the coverage and analysis throughout the process. Part of the long-term process is really looking at our success being your success. So having the interests rightly aligned from risk management, contract review, claims advocacy, looking at the 5-year, 10-year plan, we want to make sure that our interests are rightly aligned and being a partner throughout that process.